Hello, this is my wiki project and specification here. Okay, so I'm supposed to type wiki title here. Okay, let me type wiki git. Now it takes you to git, and then if I type Python, okay, Python, and then if I type non-existing title, for example, like Excel, it shows page not found, and then I can go back to home, the list, and then each word on the list has a link, so it takes you to each page. Okay, the details of each page. This. Okay, now the search bar here. Search. You type keyword git Python, but it doesn't have to be 100% match. It can be like war. It shows you network war. So substring. Okay, what else? I don't remember what I have. Let me check. Yeah. About Django. Okay, so I just type go. Yes, here it shows you Django. Okay, now let me create a new page, new wiki. Create new wiki, and title can be what's good? Okay, Apple, and then Apple, and Apple is good. What happens? Oh, this is good. Then I'm going to edit. Okay. Yes, saved. Okay, so if you are trying to create the new title wiki, for example, if you try to make the same like Python once again, so here's a text. It's supposed to return the error. Okay, so it shows entry Python already exists. It shows the error message because the Python title here already exists. And for the last, I think random wiki. I click this button here. Random wiki, Python, neural network, git. Yes, it's working. I guess it's all. I covered all the specification. Yes, I guess I did. Okay, thank you for watching.